What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. First runner is you shouldn't leave your wiper blades up, because during the winter time or the winter, like during the snowstorms and stuff like that, yes, your blades may get stuck to the windshield, but you shouldn't leave them up because of the fact that the winter time makes your windshield so brittle that any type of gust of wind or somebody can just come and slap your wiper blades down and you could shatter your windshield, and you don't want those problems. The next one is using the ice scraper and the brush. It's the 2-in-1, and you get it from your local auto store or like your supermarket, and you can brush the snow off your vehicle. Yes, you can do that and brush the snow off your vehicle, but you can also scratch up your vehicle while you're doing it, and you just be scraping and you be like, ah man. And then during the summertime or when all the snow melt away and you looking at your car like, dang, that scratch was not there. Yes, because the brush could have been scratching up your vehicle at the same time while you're trying to get the snow off your vehicle. Yeah, you probably like, dang, so ArtOfSpeedd, what I supposed to use to get the snow off my vehicle if I'm trying to get out and go to work? So you can use the little scraper, not the ice scraper, but it's like a little silicone scraper. You can use that to scrape the snow right off your vehicle, and instead of you using the brush and the bristles is scratching up your vehicle, that can just boom, section off the ice off your vehicle, and boom. The next one is using hot water or boiling water. I used to do it all the time. I rent in the house, I see snow or ice on the windshield, and I'm like, yo, I'm not about to sit here and wait for my car to warm up. So, but yes, can you use it? No, because you shouldn't use water, hot water or boiling water to get the ice or the snow off your windshield, because you can crack your windshield. It's controversy. People always say, oh, well, the windshield is strong and it's not gonna crack. No, yes, it will crack. If you got like a rock chip or any type of imperfection in your windshield, yes, you're gonna mess up your windshield. Even if you don't have an imperfection, it can be another thing that you can be replacing your windshield, because it can crack. But if you enjoyed this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.
I don't wanna let myself down myself.